If the police ever show up after you have defended yourself, the most dangerous moment of your entire life is not the attack, it's the next 60 seconds. Because almost everyone, good, law-abiding people, make the same mistakes. And they make it because their instincts are working against them. They start talking. And that one decision is what turns a survivable situation into a criminal case that follows them for years. As an attorney, I've seen how this plays out, from police body cameras, interrogation rooms, and courtrooms. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to say when the police arrive after a self-defense incident. And just as importantly, what not to say, so you don't accidentally destroy your own case. Stay with me, because the advice you usually hear on this topic is incomplete and sometimes flat out wrong. Most people believe this. If I acted in self-defense, I should just explain what happened and the truth will set me free. That belief is understandable, but it's very dangerous. When officers arrive at a scene where someone has been seriously injured, or they are not there to decide who is morally right. Their job is to collect evidence and identify a suspect. And until proven otherwise, you are going to be included as a possible suspect. This isn't a criticism of law enforcement. It's how the system works. And once you understand that, your decisions at the scene change completely. Here's what most people don't realize, and this is critical. After a violent encounter, your body is flooded with adrenaline and stress hormones. Your heart rate spikes, your hands are shaken, your perception of time is distorted. Details blur together. Neurologically, the part of your brain responsible for logic, sequencing, and accurate memory recall, the prefrontal cortex, is not working 100%. That's why you feel an overwhelming urge to talk. Talking feels like relief. Talking feels like control. Talking feels like the fastest way to fix the situation. But here's the trap. In that psychological state, you cannot give a clean, reliable statement. Even if you are telling the truth, you likely will misremember distances. You'll likely miscount actions. You may describe events out of order. And later, when a prosecutor or a detective is reviewing all of the evidence and they start hearing and seeing these inconsistencies, they're not going to say, well, hey, listen, that person was going through a lot of stuff. We better give them a little bit of leeway. No, that's not how that works. They're going to say, this person changed their story. Or what this person said doesn't match up exactly to what the other evidence is. And inconsistencies, even innocent inconsistencies, are what destroy self-defense claims each and every single day. So the question becomes, how do you protect yourself without escalating the situation? And guess what? I have a protocol I made just for you. I have the 3-statement protocol. When police arrive, your goal is not to convince them of everything that just happened. Your goal is to establish victim status, preserve evidence, and protect your rights. You do that with 3 statements and only 3 statements. I encourage you to memorize these. Statement 1, officer, I am the victim. This matters more than people realize. You're not arguing, you're not explaining, you are framing. And you are clearly identifying yourself as a person who survived an attack. Statement 2, that person attacked me. Then briefly direct attention to the evidence. That's the weapon. Those people saw it. You're not narrating events. You're pointing investigators towards the scene itself and away from you. And by identifying suspects, that implies to them and possible jury later, you wanted people to come to court, even if the state does not bring them. Statement 3, officer, I want to cooperate, but I'm a bit shaken up. I will not answer any questions without my attorney. This is not hostility. This is not defiance. This is the lawful exercise of your rights guaranteed to you under the United States Constitution. And once you say that, you stop talking completely. Now, right here, this is where most people fail. Officers are trained to investigate and to get the whole story and try to figure out facts. An officer may tell you, hey man, this is plain as day, self-defense. Just tell me what happened so I can clean this up and get you on your way home. Understand this clearly. That conversation does not help you. If there's a serious injury, or you are not going home from that scene right then and there, The only decision being made is how strong a case against you they will have. Silence is going to feel uncomfortable. Silence may feel suspicious. Silence might feel wrong, but silence is not guilt. Silence is strategy. You are allowing your body to stabilize. You're allowing your memory to settle, and you're allowing your attorney to protect you. Here's something most people never hear, and this is the truth. When police are involved in a shooting, they typically do not give an immediate detailed statement. They're given time because everyone understands that trauma affects memory. And then when police do give a statement after a shooting, they usually do it accompanied with and by the FOP attorney or the union attorney. And even then, they usually give it in a written format, not verbal. You deserve the same protection a police officer does. I truly do believe that. Now listen, self-defense does not end when the threat stops. It continues in how you handle the aftermath. Remember this, I am the victim. He attacked me. I want a lawyer. If you carry a firearm, write that down, keep it accessible. Now, if you've watched this far, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment. You must like me a little bit if you watched all the way to the end of this video, and I appreciate that. It means a lot to me. Let me know if you think I'm off the mark. Let me know if you want anything to add. A lot of people are curious what to say on the 911 call. We'll make another video about that. If you truly have no idea what to write, let me know if you hate this shirt jacket combo. Kind of like this blue though. I feel like it makes my color look good. If you are facing charges in the great state of Indiana, give me a call, 317-632-3642. I will love to talk to you about what we can do for you, help you out. Most importantly, I want you to remember to always plead the fifth.